Hey, Mark the Meerkat suffering here, in again for Dez, who's still in Vegas. This is the broad market review for June the 20th, 2013. Well, another bearish day on Wall Street, ladies and gentlemen. Sure was. Let's take a look at the numbers. Let's take a look. S&P 500 down 2.5%. Dow Jones Industrial down 2.34%. The Nasdaq was down 2.28%, and the small caps down 2.63%, leading the way down. Now, banks, however, were lagging on the way down. This is the only bullish sign that we had all day, and they were down only 0.54%. Typically, we need the banks to go down with it if it's a strong ride down. And the VIX up 23%, over 20. Take a look at that, over 20 now. That's kind of a yellow flag signal for is it definitely top of the range that we've been at for several months now. And gold, it got killed, and we got down 5.3%, and silver down almost 8%, just a killer. And then we've got the oil also down 3%. Why? Dollar took off. With the dollar down, that means the commodities are not a bright future in the future here. But look at the trend, dead even at 1.0, even on a bearish day like today. Alrighty, let's take a look at the S&P 500. Here's the daily chart. Kabam! I mean, it hung right around here at the 1600, and then about 2 o'clock when it broke, oh my gosh, it just started to drop like a rock. Tomorrow is exploration day, and there's probably a ton of explorations on the $1,600 level of the S&P 500, and so I think a lot of selling started taking place there. Yep. So next, what we got down here, this gray line here, possible line of support. That's the previous high from back in 2007, 2008, when here it was bam, bam, bam. It took us a long time to break it, so could be support. So that's a possibility there. We are below the 50 moving average, but we are above the 100 moving average here. But that doesn't typically offer a lot of support on the S&P 500. I mean, let's look at the Dow Jones Industrials. Bam, yeah, it's down now, and we're now 5% off of the highs that we had back here in May. Well, the last 2 times that we've pulled back 5%, in come the people that are buying the dips. So who knows? That could happen or not. And look at the Nasdaq. Bam! It too is down below the 50 moving average. Small caps. Bam! Down below the 50 moving average. So we definitely turned bearish today in a big time. This is the biggest 2-day drop on the Dow since 2011. Well, so what's going to happen next? Who knows? You don't need to know what's going to happen next to make money. We are definitely in a down leg. Let's take a look at the S&P weekly chart. We are very sad. Only one more day in the week, and it is option expiration day in triple witching hour tomorrow. So it usually is increased volatility and increased volume. We'll see if that makes a big difference or not. Well, bearish day. The Dow Jones Industrial below 1600. The Dow Jones Industrial is below 15,000. The Nasdaq down below 3,400, and gold below 1,300. Other than that, it was a very bright day. So this is Mark Suffren. For those of you who don't know me, I'm also a mentor here at Grok Trade and an analyst. But then I also do every day, this is the broad market review, I also do a stocks. And then I have the Grok Star trading room, and I actually show you one of my trades, a 3 to 5 minute video, and show you what I'm doing and why I'm getting in and out. So no matter what time frame you learn, you could probably learn something. Again, that's stocks under trading videos. Be glad to show you everything that I do. Just remember, as Tony Turner says, the day that I traded with composure as my only emotion was the day that I became a winning trader, period. Trade well.